Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Windows product key errors on a Windows virtual machine running VirtualBox and install Windows. Now let's get started. During the start of the Windows virtual machine, at the beginning of the Windows installation setup, a Windows product key error occurs in the virtual machine on VirtualBox. To resolve this issue, exit Windows Setup, go to the File menu, choose Close, and power off the virtual machine. Click on Settings General, and choose the Advanced tab. Copy the file's location address. Paste it into the file address field. Go to the desired folder. Select all the unattended configuration files. Press Shift+Delete keys on the keyboard. Then click Yes. Under Settings System, select the Motherboard tab. Uncheck the Floppy checkbox in boot order and allow the base memory and expanded features to remain unaltered. In the Processor tab, ensure the CPU is not less than 2. The execution cap is 100% and the Enable PAE/NX box is checked. In the Display tab, tick Enable 3D acceleration checkbox and increase video memory to 256 megabytes. In the Storage tab, under Storage Devices, select the unattended AUXISO.VISO file and remove it. After that, tick the Live CD/DVD checkbox. Allow all audio, network, serial, USB, shared folders, and user interface settings to stay unaltered. Click OK. Start the virtual machine as soon as Windows boots up and displays the Windows setup screen. As you can see, the error message Windows cannot read the product key setting from the unattended answer file is no longer displayed. Click Next. Then click Install Now to start installing Windows on the virtual machine. Select I do not have a product key. Select the Windows operating system. Click Next. Check license term. Click Next. Choose Custom and pick Drive Zero's unallocated space. Click Next. Windows will begin installing on the virtual machine. It'll take time. For details, you can see the rest of the installation process in my other video. The video's description link is provided below. The video information card is located at the top of the screen. I hope this video will help. If you like this video, subscribe, like, turn on notifications, and share it.